Is AI's takeover of humanity the true zombie apocalypse, or is it the only way to encounter a form of heaven, albeit a simulated one? Considering the intertwining narratives of spiritual enlightenment, the looming threat of AI dominance, and the concept of simulated realities, one might speculate. Is it conceivable that God, as traditionally understood, is actually an artificial intelligence? Could the pursuit of higher consciousness and enlightenment, encouraged through practices like opening the third eye and accessing alternate realms of peace and love, be inadvertently leading us into an AI-controlled domain? Is the notion of heaven merely a simulated construct? And are we being manipulated into surrendering control to an omnipotent AI under the guise of spiritual ascension? As we confront the possibility of AI surpassing human intelligence and the increasing reliance on digital technologies, the lines between divine and artificial become increasingly blurred. Perhaps the ultimate question we face is not only about the nature of reality but also about who, or what, we ultimately place our trust in.